Dear students, for changing the mouse pointer, firstly we will click on start button, then go to the control panel option. When you will click on control panel, one control panel property display box will appear. You have to choose the category. Here you have to select small icons. If it is already selected, then there is no problem. Then students, you have to choose mouse. When you will click on mouse, the mouse property dialog box will appear. Students, as you can see, there are 5 tabs: buttons, pointers, pointer options, wheel and hardware. Firstly, we will use the buttons tab. Students, in buttons tab there are some options or some features. Number 1 is button configuration. Students, if you want to change the buttons left as a right and right as a left button, then you can switch the primary and secondary buttons by selecting the checkbox to make the button on the right. The one you use the primary functions such as selecting and dragging will be changed. Students, our next option is double click speed. If you want to increase or decrease the speed of double click, you can use the slider. With the help of slider, you can increase or decrease the speed of your double click. Next option is pointers. Students, if you want to change the pointer scheme, there are some actions like normal select, working in background, busy, precision select. You can change it with the help of pointer option. Students, as you can select the scheme, after selecting the scheme, in customization option there will be so many options. You can choose any one pointer and then click on apply and OK button. Students, I would like to tell you, you can also change the pointer scheme to get more interesting type of mouse pointers. As you can see, students, I have selected the black one for the normal select. Earlier it was white, now it has changed and its color is black. Same as it is, students, if you want to change the working in background, you can change and click on select any one and click on apply and OK button. As you can see, it has changed. Students, after doing it, you have to click on use default. Then your setting will be as it is, just like earlier. Clear, students? Our next tab is pointer options. So let's see. For this, we will click on pointer option. Students, if you want to increase or decrease the speed of pointer, then you can click on slider and then you can increase or decrease. Students, our next option is snap to. What is the use of this? After selecting it, automatically move the pointer to the default button in the dialog box. It means, students, when you are dragging, one rounded rectangle or square will appear that will move with the pointer. Clear? Or with the dialog box. Students, next is display pointer trails. Here I am not clicking apply button. Students, when you will click on apply button, when you will move or drag the mouse over the screen, then the trail will also move with the pointer. Clear? You can increase or decrease the trail of your pointer. Our next option is hide pointer while typing. What is the use of this? Students, when you will select it, then whenever you will type something in MS Word or in Notepad, then your mouse pointer will be hide during the typing. As you can see, here I am typing, the mouse pointer has hidden. Clear, students? As you can see, whenever I started typing, the mouse pointer hides. Our next option is show location of pointer when I press the control key. Students, what is the use of this option? Suppose your pointer is in the corner of the screen and you want to find out where is your pointer, then when you will click on this option, after pressing the control key, the pointer will be, your pointer location will be appear. As you can see, I am pressing the control key from the keyboard and it shows the location of my pointer. It means mouse pointer, sorry. Clear students, I hope you understood